Watching birds in motion can be incredibly rejuvenating. The fluid grace with which they soar through the sky, their effortless glides, and their playful fluttering evoke a sense of freedom and tranquility. Each bird's flight can feel like a dance, a delicate interplay of speed and stillness that captures the essence of natural beauty. Observing them can provide a calming break from daily stress, offering a moment of peaceful contemplation and a reminder of the simple joys found in nature. The sight of birds in motion often brings a renewed sense of wonder and connection to the world around us. Watching birds in motion can be incredibly rejuvenating.